Hey, what's going on, guys? Got another tutorial for you. This one's going to be Just Right by Thicke. I'm going to go ahead and play through the verse chords. Okay, so the first chord is a C sharp major 7. B flat 7, E flat minor 7, G sharp 7. Okay. So all I'm doing there is I'm just plucking all at once each chord, So for like the C sharp major 7, I'm not playing the 6th string, and then 5, 4, 3, and 2, and you just give it a pluck. So that pattern on each chord. We go to the B flat 7, pretty much the same thing, just taking the the first 4 strings, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and doing that same plucking pattern, and so on. So there's right before the chorus, you have this part. Let's see. And then back to the chorus, which is the same chords as the verse. So for that part, you just want to go back to the C sharp major 7. We're just going to play it down here, but you can play it right here as well. Okay. Then you want to go to an F7 sharp 5. And you want to go to an A diminished. And to a B minor 7, B flat minor 7, and then back to what we already know. So real time sounds like this.